Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Our mood is very much risk on. Asian equity markets are trading in the green. Dollar index is lower. Oil prices are still not a bother. It's the current dollar rupee is trading around 80-90 in the offshore on a spot reference basis. जब से ये 8250 का level break किया है, that support, our target has been that USDINR should test 80-95 levels, which is the December lows. तो आज अगर onshore prices open where the offshore is, then it's going to be a test of that. Support is between 80 and 80-90 levels. अगर 80-90 breaks, उसके नीचे close होता है and there is a follow through, the next support is going to come closer to 80. And 80 or below, there RBI could become active and start mopping up the dollars, क्योंकि they have lost a lot of reserves last year due to intervention, and of course they had lost a lot of reserves, of course, because of valuation loss, क्योंकि dollar का rally था. That should not concern the RBI, क्योंकि now with the dollar weakening, they will benefit from the valuation gains. So it's the selling of the dollars in the spot market which the RBI may look to recoup and take the FX reserves higher. So in case the dollar rupee gets to 80 or lower levels, that RBI can become, we may see the RBI becoming quite active and start buying dollars in the spot and in the forward markets as well. ये एक possibility है that we need to be aware of. But as of now, 80-80 or 80-90 is a major support zone. ये हफ्ता the Chinese markets are shut entirely. Hong Kong and the Singapore markets are shut for the first half of the week. Even we have a holiday on 26th, that's Thursday. So the volatility is going to be largely driven by what is happening to the dollar index and the dollar against other Asian currencies. In spite of the Chinese market being closed, the CNH is open and CNH is strengthening, and that's having a positive impact on the rupee. Budget is going to be still a week away. So it's not going to be a factor to watch for this week, but next week is going to be an event to watch. So dollar rupee, what is the trade? Dollar rupee ka trade abhi bhi it is downward, but as I said, 80-80 say 80-90, this is a major support zone. We would not like to short here. We already carrying shorts. We'd like to cover those shorts. And in case की एक follow through है and it is giving a clear indication कि 80 के नीचे is going to keep falling, then we will start shorting once again for 80 levels. As I said, that is the next major support level after 80 is taken out on the spot basis. Upper levels में 81.20 and then 81.5. These are the zones where the resistance is going to come. तो अगर intra-week pullback होता है towards 80-20 better 80-50 के आसपास, 81-20 or 81-50 के आसपास, then that could be a good place to build fresh shorts. And for a complete reversal of trend, we need to see a close above 81-50 levels on the spot basis. But जब तक 81-50 is intact on the spot, any major pullback on an intra-week basis is an opportunity to go short. So positional jo short sellers hai in the dollar, they continue to maintain their stop above 81.5 spot on a closing basis. And watch the important support level around 80 levels. Cross currencies mein Euro INR and GBP INR both should do well once USD INR finds a support. Because जब तक USDINR continues to drift down faster, it's going to pull down other cross currency pairs as well. इसके लिए USDINR जैसे ही stable होता है, we may see an uptrend in Euro INR and GBP INR. So keep that in mind. इस ये हफ्ता there are a number of economic data, especially the flash PMIs from around the world, Europe, US, Asia से, that will have an impact on the markets. Apart from that, the GDP numbers, durable goods numbers, and the Fed member speeches and ECB speeches, because ECB members have been very hawkish of late. Fed members are clearly indicating that the Fed is close to the end of its rate hiking campaign. That is the reason why the dollar index is under pressure, because dollar index में close to 60% of the weightage comes from euro dollar, and euro is surging upwards, and that's having a negative impact on the dollar index, and that's in turn is having a positive impact on the on the Indian rupee. So USDINR is falling. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day.